Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Honda Civic Touring. This is a Type R. Honda did a fantastic job with this vehicle. I'm just going to go ahead and close this up because it sounds smooth. Honda is becoming the masters of detail, and they prove it on this vehicle. Every square inch. They've done a fantastic job. Your exhaust. Right down to the trunk liner. Go ahead and close this up, take you for a tour of the exterior. As you can see, they have detail everywhere. Painted alloy wheels. Take a look at this interior. Just have that carbon fiber look. A number of different accents in the vehicle. This one has red and gray together. There's an illuminated R on the bottom. There are those seats. It does have a standard transmission, so there are your pedals. All right, as we come down here, you'll see that it has 7,794 miles on this vehicle. It's also got your push to talk, your other infotainment and trip computer toggles, cruise control. Come over here, you have your push button start. As I mentioned, this dash is just gorgeous. So, this is your key fob right here. You come over here, your stereo sources, AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, and then of course you have your USB and Pandora and such through your phone. And let's go ahead and give you a startup sequence on this. Okay, we're going to jump over to our menu. Then you also have navigation and a backup camera. You come down here, you're gonna have your climate controls. Got your stick shift. Again, that carbon fiber is right here as well. Then you'll have your park brake, your drive controls, and your cup holders, additional stowage. Up here you've got your map reading lights, and that about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It was rear-ended, so there's damage here in the central rear end. The airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.